For this investigation, you're going to use iTools to model division using base 10 blocks. So you're going to click on base 10 blocks, and then you'll get the base 10 blocks activity. Now you're going to come up here to activities, and you're going to need to click on divide. Now this will help you to model division using base 10 blocks. If you notice, we have the ones pieces, we have tens pieces, we have hundreds pieces, and we have thousands pieces. Now you're going to print the attached file, and you're going to solve those division problems, and you can use these iTools to do that. Now let's say we're trying to solve the division problem 54 divided by 5. The first thing I'm going to do is build 54. Now I'm going to need 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. I'm going to need 5 tens, and if you look here, notice my problem right now is 50, and it's all in one group, so it's divided by 1. It's also showing it written over here in this form. So I'm trying to do 54 divided by 5. So now I have 54, and I want to divide it into 5 groups. So remember, I click divide, change it to 5 groups. That's the number of groups, and I'm going to click OK. So now you can see underneath I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups. So I'm going to start by clicking or by moving each of my tens into the 5 groups. Oops. Alright, now let's divide my ones into 5 groups. Oh no, there's not enough blocks. So that means that this is my remainder. So I can put my remainder over here. So 54 divided by 5 is going to give me 10 remainder 4. Because there's 10 in each group. Now let's check and see if I'm right. Correct. Now I'm going to click this broom to clear everything. Now let's do a harder one. Let's do 123 divided by 4. Notice my problem here is now 133 divided by 4. And over here I have 133 divided by 4. And here I have my 1, 2, 3, 4 groups. Now, I can't take this 100 and put it into a group because I don't have enough hundreds to put 1 in each group. So I'm going to come over here to this button that says regroup, and I'm going to click on my hundreds because I want to regroup that. So let's click regroup. Notice it broke my 100 into 10 tens. I still have 133, but now instead of having 103 tens, I now have 13 tens and 3 ones. So I still have 133. So now I can take my tens and start dividing them into each group evenly. Remember, with division, we have to divide them into equal groups. So if there's not enough pieces to put them into equal groups, then I have to regroup them. Now I only have 1 10 left, and I have 4 groups, so I'm going to click regroup, and I'm going to regroup my 10. Now I have 10 ones added to the 3 ones that I already had. So now I'm going to take my ones and put them into each group evenly. Oops. Okay, it looks like I'm going to have 1 left over. I can't regroup it, so he's my remainder. So 133 divided by 4 is what? With 1 remaining. Well, I can look at the value in one group. I have 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33. 33 in each group with a remainder of 1. Let's see if that's right. Excellent. Now it's your turn to use the base 10 blocks iTools to solve the problems on your worksheet. If you have any questions, you can come back and watch this tutorial again to get some more help.